Hello, my name is Muhammad Arif bin Rozan, and I will try to explain how to solve the question 1 that consists of A and B by using Maple. Okay, for the question A, question 1A, first we solve it in linear equation. So first we must declare the ODE. So for me, I type ODE 1 for this is the first order. ODE 1, 5d per dx yx plus 15yx equal to 10. After that, we click enter and it will declare the ODE. And then we type D solve, and the D is for the ODE. And solve, we put the ODE 1 for it to solve the ODE 1. And then it will solve, and we get yx equal to 2 over 3 plus exponent negative 3x. C1, C is the constant, and so we also get the internal condition. So we type is is for the initial condition. So isc equal to y0 equal to 0, and y quantity of y is 0, and the 0, this 0 is for the x. And then we dissolve, put ODE1 and ICS also, and so we get the yx equal to 2 over 3 negative 2 over 3 exponent negative 3x, and this is the final answer for the question 1a. Okay, next for the question b, 1b, and for the b is we must solve it in undetermined coefficient. This is for the second order. So first, I type the ODE2 because surely is the second order. So d2 per dx2 yx is y double prime and negative 2 y prime and negative 8y equal to 12. And this is for the multiple, so with multiple cos, and this is 2 multiple x, negative 4 multiple sin 2x. So we declare it, and we get the second order 2 is y double prime negative 2y prime negative 8y equal to 12 cos 2x negative 4 sin 2x. And so we must solve it until to the general solution. For how to do it, we must type the general solution, general SOL equal to D solve the ODE2 curl yx. And so we get the general solution is yx equal to exponent negative 2x c2 plus exponent 4x c1 negative cos 2x. And so the answer for both this question is the same with the manual one that I have already completed. And so, and thank you, and it is for the answer for the Maple for the question 1A and B, and thank you.
Hai, nama saya Muhammad Azhar Haziq bin Jasmani. Hari ini saya akan menerangkan tentang cara penggunaan Maple untuk soalan kedua. First kali kita akan naik restart. Lepas itu kita akan masukkan persoalan yang kita dapat. Mula kita akan type SYS underscore ODE titik bertindih sama dengan, lepas tu kita akan pilih komponen formula yang akan kita gunakan ni. Lepas tu kita ambil ini, kita gantikan dengan y sama dengan 1. Okay, 1 kurungan S sama dengan 0.5. Lepas tu titik ni sebagai darab. Tu y, Y1 kurungan X tolak 3 darab Y2. 3 darab Y. 3 darab Y. Dan kurungan X tambah ini darab dengan eksponen. Eksponen negatif 2x koma lepas tu d per dx gantikan dengan y kurungan x sama dengan 2 darab y1 kurungan x tolak dengan 6 darab y kuasa 2 y 2 dan kurungan x. Ini adalah calculation yang dibuat untuk soalan. Okay. Ini soalan yang diterima. So kita akan buat general solution. Sama juga titik bertindih sama dengan itu kita tulis D so macam kurungan S for S. Ni kita akan selesaikan ini jawapan kita untuk general solution. Seterusnya kita akan buat ICS. ICS titik bertindih sama dengan Y1 Y itu kurungan kosong. Ni berdasarkan soalan yang diberi yang untuk jumlah I1 dan I2. Negatif Y2. Negatif Y2 kosong sama dengan 1. Seterusnya kita akan buat particular solution. Particular solution. Particular solution. Okay. Kita bertindak sama dengan itu kita type resolve dalam kurungan itu peta sys underscore ODE, ICS. Kita tutup kurungan. Kita dah dapat. Sini kita dapat jawapan dia. Okay, sekian daripada saya.
Hi, my name is Afif Najmi bin Haizul, CE 200-106 from section 3 for class ODE. So I will continue to question 3A, and firstly for using maple, kita tulis restart, yang mana restart ini sering digunakan untuk permulaan penggunaan maple. Okay. Dan seterusnya kita menggunakan with entrance sebagai yang mana entrance ni adalah package untuk integral transform, especially for Laplace. Okay. So kita kat sini boleh tengok ada inverse Laplace and sebagainya. Okay. So kita teruskan dengan penulisan soalan. Okay, untuk penulisan soalan, kalau kita tengok dekat soalan assignment, dia sudah ditukarkan dalam bentuk piecewise. Okay, jadi kat sini kita masukkan dalam bentuk persamaan, tukarkan kepada bentuk piecewise. Okay, jadi kita jadikan ianya sebagai FA dan mulakan dengan piecewise. Kemudian masukkan soalan. Okay, masukkan soalan. Setelah selesai masukkan soalan, kita tekan enter. Okey. Sudah jadi bentuk dalam piecewise. Okey, kemudian kita gunakan cara unit step function. Okey, kita jadikan unit step FB. So yang mana unit step function ni sama dengan Heaviside kalau penggunaan maple ni. So kita masukkan convert dulu. Convert. Dan kemudian masukkan persamaan yang ke atas tadi, iaitu FA, Heaviside. So H huruf besar, Heaviside. Tutup kurungan dan enter. Okay, dan sudah jadi dalam bentuk unit step function ataupun Heaviside. Dan kemudian kita tukarkan kepada bentuk Laplace transform. Laplace kurungan, masukkan semula persamaan di atas iaitu FB. Kemudian kita letak T, S untuk jadikan dalam bentuk Laplace transform. Dan inilah dia jawapan untuk daripada unit step function kita tukarkan kepada Laplace transform. Jadi itu saja daripada saya. Thank you very much.
Hello and a very good day. My name is Ismail bin Muhammad Abdul Wahab, matrix number CE 200111. I would like to present my assignment BEE 11203 ordinary differential equation. Question 3B. I will be using Maple software to solve question 3B. So first of all, we use the command restart to clear all the previous memory. Then next we define the differential equation. So question 3b, it is a second order differential equation ODE3 given by f double prime t minus 9 times ft equals to gt, where gt is 5 times heaviside t minus heaviside t minus 1. So it will be displayed like this. Next, we want to find the particular solution for this equation. So we will be using this command particular solve d equals to d solve for ODE3 for this equation. Then we need to insert the initial condition where f0 equals to 0 and f prime 0 equals to 1 for ft by using the method Laplace. So the particular solution is for ft equals to 2 over 9 heaviside t minus 1 hyperbolic sign 3 over 2 t minus 3 over 2 squared plus 4 over 9 exponent 3t plus 1 over 9 exponent negative 3t minus 5 over 9. Next, I would like to show the step-by-step solution. First of all, we use this command with int trans. Then we need to define the differential equation, which is the same second order differential equation. F double prime t minus 9 times ft equals to gt, where gt is 5 heaviside t, 5 times heaviside t plus heaviside t minus 1. It will be displayed like this. ODE3 equals to d squared ft minus 9 ft equals to 5 heaviside t plus heaviside t minus 1. Then we need to Laplace transform ODE3. We use this command eq equals to Laplace ODE3 for, which means for this equation, where this equation is in the form of t, and we want to transform it into the form of s. So it will be displayed like this. eq equals to s squared Laplace ft ts minus df0 minus sf0 minus 9 Laplace ft ts equals to 5 plus exponent negative s over s, where for d squared ft it is transformed into s squared Laplace ft ts minus df0 minus sf0, while minus 9 ft is transformed into minus 9 Laplace ft ts. And for 5 heaviside t, it is transformed into 5 over s. Meanwhile, plus heaviside t minus 1 is transformed into plus exponent negative s over s. Next, we need to subs this ftts to the form of fs, and we need to insert the initial condition. So we use this command eq equals to subs Laplace ft ts, we change into fs, and we insert the initial condition df0 equals to 1, and f0 equals to 0, for equation 1. So it will be displayed like this. S squared fs, this s squared Laplace ft ts is changed into fs, and df0 is equals to 1, so minus 1. Then sf0 equals to fs0 equals to 0, not displayed here because it is 0. Then negative 9 Laplace ft ts, where Laplace ft ts is converted into fs, and for equals to 5 plus exponent negative s over s, it is the same. Next, we solve eq this equation into fs. So fs equals to 5 plus exponent negative s plus s over s bracket s squared minus 9. So we inverse Laplace this to get the ft. So inverse Laplace percent. Percent is the latest output of Fs. So we want to change it from form of S to the form of T, where this is form of S and we get this in the form of T, where Ft equals to 2 over 9 heavy side T minus 1 hyperbolic sine 3 over 2T minus 3 over 2 squared plus 4 over 9 exponent 3T plus 1 over 9 exponent negative 3T minus 5 over 9. So this is the solution for this equation by using the method Laplace transform. That's all from me. Thank you.